Hello ladies, my name is Phil Jellic. I'm going to show you how to download some music in the Euro Truck Simulator. So first of all, just go in at Safari. I have a Mac here. If you don't have a Mac, you just go at Google and then wait, and then we are going to wait. There we go, and we go at YouTube MP3. There it goes, and just wait some years. Come on, bro, come on, you can do it. So yeah, there we go. I take this at Swedish because I'm from Sweden, of course. We just do that. Oh, that way can't see and whatever. We go at YouTube too, and then we have to have some song or something. We take let me see, which song are we going to take, guys? We are going to take something. I know something we're going to take. You are crazy girl. Oh, you don't have to be in my video now. Come on, bro. Come on. Wait, come on. Yeah, there we go. And we are going at, let me see, that Froxy Math show and blah 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 blah. Gorillas. He's cool. And that's crazy too. We take some my premium. Just wait. We take that one. Hey brother. And now it's just like
the most
yeah. We can take this one.
2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, hey, brother.
I just kidding. We don't take this. We take Avicii. We take Avicii. Yes, we take Avicii. No, we're not taking Avicii. We're not taking Avicii now. Pop music, maybe there. We got something. There we go. Maybe we get not Miley Cyrus. I call her for my cry. What's that? Okay, that's a guy which is walking. I understand. I think I know this song. Okay, everybody, we take this one. So first, just go up here, and then copy this. Copy this. So like copy, and we go back into this and copy it, or like take it in there. Oh damn, that's wrong. So we copy that. We copy that and take it in here, and then press enter. We get it here. We download it, and then god damn it. Just wait. I have some problem here again. Oh, what's that? Nigga. Oh, shit. Okay, we go again here. MP3. We take this one maybe. Some better. Let me see. No. Wrong. English. We take maybe. Yeah, there it goes. Wrong again, bro. God damn. That's ill. Shit. I was doing wrong. So copy that. Shit. And go in here. Go there. Download. And you can't work because you're crazy. Because you're crazy. Convert on YouTube. There we go. I think this one. Yes, this one. So copy that in there. Download. Yes, there we go. And then it's gone up here. I just wait to these are going to download. Finish. There we go. Yeah, and then you click there. Go at the song. Show in Finder. Go down here. Then it's going to show in Finder there. And okay, so there is. I take it like this. Pro. Okay. And then I go at a new Finder. So got like this one. Okay, and then you go at your truck simulator folder, which I have here, and then it's music here. Go at that, and like you can see, I have some music here, like Justin Bieber music. I really don't know why I have it, but I don't know really why I have it. So I'm drawing this amazing song into Truck Simulator, and now Truck Simulator can read it, and that's how to download music in Truck Simulator.